To subtract, we have to add the opposite. So what is the opposite of a polynomial? Okay, inside the parentheses, I have x plus 4y minus 8. This negative sign out here says the opposite of the polynomial. Okay? All right, so right now, the sign on the x right here, this is a plus x. Now it's going to change. But right now, the sign on the x is positive. So right now, inside the parentheses, don't forget about this right here for a minute. Just forget about that and think of the signs inside the parentheses are a plus, plus, and a minus. Those are the signs. Okay? So if we copy them down, I put a little box here. The box is kind of like the parentheses. Inside the parentheses or inside the box, you have a plus on the x, a plus on the 4, and a minus on the 8. Now this says to take the opposite of these three. Okay? So you'd end up with a minus, and a plus for your final answer. Okay? Copy that down. That'll be your final answer. Put your x, your 4, and your 8. So the final answer is a negative x, a negative 4y, and a plus 8. So let's think about this a little bit. This was the problem up here. Here's the answer. Let's think about that. To find the equivalent polynomial for the opposite or additive inverse of a polynomial, change the sign of every term. Okay, you could say, well, multiply by negative 1. Okay, if you had, instead of just a negative in front of it, if you had negative 1, you have negative 1 times x is negative x, negative 1 times 4 is negative 4, and negative 1 times negative 8 is a plus 8. Okay? We originally didn't have the 1 there, but you could write a 1 there if it makes you feel better. Okay?